Hi guys, good morning. How you doing? How is everything? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're seeing this face for the first time, don't let it be your last, because in this channel we talk of self-care, self-development, and everything in between. So in today's video, I'll be doing a room tour. Okay, so let's get right into it. Starting from the door in the entrance, this is my closet. It's a small space, so everything is small in size. Okay, so it has two doors. Yeah, this is my closet. So up I put my beddings, my bed sheets, my blankets, and I have my clothes hanging. Then you can see some of my footwears. My box is in the other side. Okay, so this is my dresser. Let's appreciate this art. Beautiful. It was handmade. Grace shall be as your day. Amen. Lovely prayer. And these are some of the coins I've gotten so far. It amazes me how these people, they value coins too. Unlike, this is the first storage in the jar. I have my pepper, grinded pepper, my wig, some biscuits, my medications, malaria, worm, medicine, some vitamin C tablets. I have paracetamol, I have some antibiotics. Then this is my thread and needle. I have my inhaler, the rub inhaler. Okay, then the second drawer is my makeups and my skincare. Not much. That's my body lotion, deodorant, perfume oil, and necklaces. And this will be my underwears, my socks. Then the last drawer, my clothes. I have my clothes in the last drawer. Okay, most of my daily clothes. And we have a mirror down there. Then a foot mat. Normally this foot mat is always by my bedside, but my chair used to disrupt it. Okay, so I have my reading table, my glove always available, my laptops, my tissue paper, and another mirror. This is for makeup actually. Then this beautiful art showing the map of the world, some of my prayer points. Then this seat, my reading chair with this beautiful cute pillow. I have my dustbin, my laundry bag, that's my bonnet, and my socks. I have like plenty socks in this place. Oh, see this beautiful view. Beautiful. Yeah, my headlamp, so cute. Yeah, my eye cover. Over to my bed. well laid, 2 pillows. That's the end of this video. So you appreciate the view, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment what you like, I'll be updating it from time to time. What you think I should add? I think I need a fake plastic plant at least, to give that green color to effect to the room. I'm showing you angles. Then this wall, I'm supposed to do something, keep maybe an artwork here. I don't know what it is yet. I don't have money yet.
An artwork there.
Okay, just showing you everything again. The angle from the window. Yeah, this is the overview. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, please.